Good job with it. Good job, buddy. Want a bite? What is this? What is it? No, he's not paying no attention. He says, Mom. Wanna try some? No. How about we're going somewhere? You like to dig, so why not? Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. That's a good boy. Poor baby. Come on, babies. Look, I'm gonna put some in your bowl, okay? So it's not a big deal. Okay. There we go. Put some in here. There you go. Give that a try. What is it? Put some white part in there too. There you go. Good job, buddy. Good job, baby. Good job, Cricket. Say, I like hard-boiled eggs, no problem, Mama. And you can leave the shell on for me any day. Yeah, that's a sweet boy. Better get you some. Looks like you need some more yolk, huh? You need some yolk in your life? Here you go, buddy. It's okay. I'm just gonna put some right there for you. I got starlings flying all over. I know that's why you're being cautious. Good boy, Cricket. Come on back around. There you go. Full circle moment. Yeah, that's the good stuff, huh? Good boy. Yeah. Num num nums.